Friends, in a mixed bag of quantitative aptitude, we are once again going to see few more problems from different topics. The average age of the present ages of Sachin and Saurav is 36 years. If Sachin is 8 years older than Saurav, what is the Saurav's present age? Now here the average age of Sachin and Saurav is 36 years, and since their average age is 36 years and it is said that Sachin is 8 years older than Saurav, so if Saurav's age is X years, then Sachin's age would be X plus 8 years. Since the average age is 36 years, the total age of Sachin and Saurav will be 36 into 2, which is equal to 72 years. Now Saurav's age is X years and Sachin's age is X plus 8 years. If we add these two ages, we should get it equal to total age, that is 72 years. So X plus 8, that is equal to 72 years. So it will be 2x plus 8, that is equal to 72 years, and therefore 2x is equal to 72 minus 8, and that will be 64, and that is x is equal to 32. Since x is Saurav's age, therefore Saurav's age will be 32 years and Sachin's age will be 32 plus 8, that is 40 years. The next question is 15 men, 18 women and 12 boys working together earned rupees 2070 rupees. If the daily wages of a man, a woman, a boy are in the ratio of 4:3:7, then the daily wages of a man, 2 women and 3 boys are. Let the daily wages of one man, that is 4x, one woman, that is equal to 3x, and one boy, that is equal to 2x, since the ratios are 4:3:2. Since 15 men are there, so the daily wages of 15 men will be 15 into 4x. Eighteen women are there, and therefore daily wages of 18 women at the rate of 3x rupees will be 18 into 3x. And since 12 boys are working, their daily wages will be 12 into 2x, and this total wages are given as rupees 2070. Now this will be 15 for the 60x plus 18 3 the 54x plus 12 2 the 24x, that is equal to 2070. So adding this like terms, we get it 138x, which is equal to 2070. So x will be equal to 2070 divided by 138, and that gives you x is equal to 15. Now since you have got the value of x as 15, you can find the daily wages of a man. It will be what? 4x, so 4 into 15, so that will be equal to rupees 60. Now the daily wages of two women will be what? 3x into 2, that is equal to 3 into 15 into 2, that will be equal to rupees 90. And the daily wages of 3 boys will be 3 into 2x, so it will be 3 into 2 into 15, that is equal to rupees 90. So the daily wages of one man is rupees 60, daily wages of two women will be rupees 90, and daily wages of 3 boys will also be rupees 90. Next problem is 8 boys can do a work in 33 days while 2 men can do it in 33 days. Then in how many days 3 boys and 2 men together complete the same work? Let there be 100% work. Then 8 boys finish the work in one day, that will be equal to 100 by 33, that is 3.03%. And 2 men finish the work in one day, that will be equal to again 100 by 33, that is 3.03%. So 8 boys finish in one day 3.03% of work, and 2 men finish 3.03% of work in one day. Since 8 boys they finish the work, that is 3.03% in one day, then 3 boys will finish how much percentage of work in one day? So we multiply these two and divide by the first one, so you get x is equal to 3 into 3.03 divided by 8, and if you solve this you get it 1.13%. Therefore 3 boys finish the work in one day, that is equal to 1.13%. Now we have to find that the 2 men and 3 boys, they finish the work in one day, that is equal to 3.03% plus 1.13%, that is equal to 4.16%. So 2 men and 3 boys finish 4.16% in one day. Therefore, to finish the 100% work, they will take how many days? That is 24 days. So 2 men and 3 boys will finish 100% work in 24 days. Friends, you might have enjoyed this video. If yes, like it by clicking the thumbs up button, share it with your friends, and subscribe to the channel so that you will get all details and updates right into your mailbox. Thank you very much. Friends, you might have enjoyed this video. Then go to thumbs up button and click. Then go to share tab and share with your friends on Facebook, Twitter, Google Plus and many more. And to get the updates right in your mailbox, don't forget to subscribe. Thank you very much.